Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW, any BMW, let's say 1 Series, 2 Series, 3, 4, 5 BMW guys, X3, X5, and you guys have problems with your ABS pump, ABS module, traction control module, we'll show you guys how to test that today. Now the video will be very helpful to you guys because on some BMWs the ABS pump is super hard to get to, and you can actually test your pump if you remove it with just a 12-volt supply, but the module you will not be able to test it unless you have the equipment that we'll be using. So check it out guys, all that will be listed in the description of the video below. That's what we'll be doing today. Let me introduce you quick guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let's start on it now. So this is guys the computer that we'll be using. Okay, this is a very good computer. It works on any car, not just BMWs. Again, it will be listed in the description of the video below. Check out all the makes that it supports. Okay, quite a few. And you pretty much have dealer level equipment in your pocket guys. This thing you can do programming, you can read codes, delete codes, you can program keys, quite a few things. So we'll show you guys how with that computer we're going to test the ABS pump module now. So we have guys the programming device for that computer connected to the OBD port of your vehicle. That's where you connect your diagnostic tools. And now what we'll be doing guys, okay, we need to turn the ignition on of this vehicle. Okay, like that. We'll select BMW here and it's going to take just a little bit of time to get everything ready. We'll select automatic selection. We'll enter our VIN number, or you can manually select your vehicle, it's up to you, and it gives us all the information that we need. We confirm that this is the correct vehicle. And now guys, we're just waiting. Okay, we're just waiting for communication. If you have an older BMW, you may have the 20-pin diagnostic connector that's round. All that comes with that too guys. So all the different connectors are in the case, so you have everything if you need it. We click diagnostics, control unit. Now the brake system is part of the chassis. We click ABS DSC. And now right here guys, okay, let me show you. It's going to open. Our voltage is a little bit low, it's at 11.99, so we need to recharge our batteries to make sure that everything's good. We'll click active test, and here we have component activation. And now this is everything about your ABS pump module guys, ABS brake module and the pump as well. Now this being guys wireless computer, it's pretty handy. Why? Because you can go under the hood now guys and you can activate, okay, the pump and listen and be able to hear it. Now on this BMW, I told you some of them are super hard to reach. It's under the brake pump right here, and you have your ABS pump all the way down in that hole. It's almost impossible for me to stick the camera and show you where it's located. Now if I click return pump, that's your ABS pump. Okay, we can activate it for about 5 seconds. Listen now. So we can definitely hear our pump going guys, okay, and you can actually test valves and all that stuff as well. So you can see how you can do all that stuff guys. Pretty cool feature guys. So definitely guys, if you have a BMW and you have problems with your ABS pump, that thing will help you figure it out. So thank you for watching guys. Also I forgot to mention, with that thing you can program one as well. If you replace a new module, you can program it with these things super easy. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.